Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of y'all are having a lovely day. Alright, so in today's video, I am doing a very late project share for this journaling flip through. I used the Gothic Girls Digi kit from my sweet friend Jovi's Etsy. So the link is going to be down below if you'd like to get it for yourselves, especially with this spooky month season. Be sure and check it out and have a play with it. You get a lot for your buck. I quite like everything that Jovi includes in her kits. You can see that gorgeous butterfly there and that Gothic girl. She gives you a variety to play with within her kits, and the colors are always so very vivid and pretty, and this kit in particular was very mysterious and gorgeous. So even that spider there that y'all see on that little journaling card, that's part of her kit, and also the pockets. This one included pockets, which was very nice. She also hosted a Gothic Girls collaboration not too long ago, and each one of the collaborators had their own individual date where they showed and featured a project share. So if you want to see multiple ways that you can go about using the kit, be sure and check out the hashtag so you can get some creative ideas. I also want to thank Ron and Patsy because they gifted me some beautiful foiled papers like that purple one that you're seeing, and then earlier you saw a green one. Here's another part of Jovi's kit, so stunning. And then it also included phrases, so you see that it says stay spooky, and I also incorporated some of the phrases in the front of the cover of this journal. Also, if y'all saw the tassel, I do have a tutorial on how to make those spool tassels or charms, however you want to call them. I got some wonderful inspiration from my friend Anna, so be sure and check out her channel as well because she is the OG crafter that I got it from. She's always coming up with super cute ideas, so thank you Anna for the inspo. You can see in the center there that I embellished it with some washi tape. It came out so cute just to reinforce that paper because it is from the 1930s. And then here I had a little bit of vintage ephemera that I incorporated into the journal. I added that cute little cat and that star onto the moon. And then again, I fussy cut some of these little bats from a scrapbooking collection that was gifted to me by Kim's Inspired Life. So thank you so much, Kim. There is that paper once again from Ron and Patsy, and also did some collaging using Jovi's kit on this envelope. So you can tuck some secret goodies in there or glue it to one of the pages and you have a sweet little flip out. Also, before I go any further, this journal is for sale. It will be up in my Poshmark and also on the Maker's Market with Angela Schrad. So be sure and check out the links down below. So here we have a little tuck spot with some little ephemera that I stitched onto the tuck spot. And look at these bones. I love that blue. The navy blue looks really good with that purple. It paired super nicely. Also, please forgive me, I am filming this with one hand, and I quite like the lighting that's in my car, so it worked out super perfectly because you can see all the colors so vividly. And it was a little bit of a risk to film like this because it's hard to pull out ephemera with one hand, but I feel like it turned out really good. I'm able to get really up and close and personal with the pages and show you guys my collages and small little details here. And you can see that I've done a lot of stitching on this journal. I quite like that fabric that I stitched onto this journaling card. I found it thrifting and I love the colors. They turned out so good. And there again, there's some of that foiled paper. It just makes it pop so very nicely. And here I did a little bit of collaging. You get a Project Life card that you can do some journaling on in the back or use it as a photo mat. Again, here's some of Jovi's kit. Look at those colors, so vivid, so pretty. And here I used a little bit of a whale tab and did a small little cluster up top with 31st of October. So here we have a fun little flip out. I was gifted some of these chipboard ephemera pieces from my friend Kara, so thank you so much, Kara. I absolutely love it, and I love that fabric. You see the dark and goth looking spooky fabric. It's lace. It's so yummy. I also went thrifting recently and found some ledger papers that had blue and a tan look to it. You can see it right there when I'm about to pull out the trick or treat card, Project Life card. And Oh, I love that tan with the blue. So gorgeous, and it paired very nicely with Jovi's kit here because you can see it almost looks like spooky wallpaper on the right hand side. And then I attached some ledger paper to the back of this journaling card. You can use this as a flip out and or glue it down, and you can have a side tuck pocket if you so wish. Okay, and here we have some delicious candy corn. I got that paper from thrifting, so I thought it would look really, really cute. Here we go. So look at her. Isn't she gorgeous? We have ghosts and ghouls, and then I added some spooky looking books from Paper Studios, I think. Some ephemera from Hobby Lobby. And then here I did another flip out tag using Jovi's kit. And I quite like a little skeleton on the left hand side there of the corner that I stamped out. He's cute. Look at him. Yeah, I like him. Alright, so moving right along, we got some more pages for journaling. This would be great for like putting all your pictures for Halloween, or some of your, like, jotting down some of your favorite memories from when you went Halloweening or something. Trick-or-treating. Halloweening is not a word. Here we have some ephemera that I was gifted, and then also got some of these pages from a book that my friend Dale sent me. So thank you, Dale. I hope you're feeling better. Also got sent some of this tea-dyed paper, and I can't remember exactly who it was. I think it might have been my friend Jovi. I think she might have sent me some, or Brittany Linger Blinger here on YouTube as well. And there's again some of that kit that I incorporated that my friend Kim sent me, with all the apothecary bottles there, and it's also foiled. I love anything foiled. I think it just adds a pop to your pages. A super huge life project card, and I like the herbs and the plants that are on those pages. Got some more candy corn because you can't have Halloween without candy corn. And then I added some of these orange tickets, again, for my sweet friend Dale, so thank you so much. I also used some of the whale tail tabs that she sent me a while back, so thank you so much, Dale. I love everything and anything you guys send me. They work so perfectly with these journals, so I appreciate you guys so, so very much. I hope you are all enjoying y'all's fall. I'm always looking forward to fall weather every year. It's my favorite season. Again, I'm sorry for the whiplash here. I'm doing it with one hand. I did this wonderful collaging card, fussy cutting some of the pumpkins from Jovi's kit. And then again, can y'all see how obsessed I am with foiled paper? I did another large journaling tag, added a little project life card. This is October 31st. And then my friend Rosie, she sent me some goodies too, and I used some of the quotes that she fussy cut herself. Gorgeous, gorgeous ephemera, so thank you so much, Rosie. We did a folio swap, I believe last year, and that was a lot of fun. So if y'all want to check that out, the link is going to be down below. And here's a fun little pocket with some, I think it's gingham, right? Or plaid? I don't know what you would call it, but the paper pad in the back looks really, really nice with the browns. Here we have another Project Life card where you can do some sweet little journaling. And then again, I used Jovi's kit for these two little cuties right here. I love it. Her kit is so nice. Love it, love it. Last year, I believe I did, I don't want to say it's Whimsical Forest, or it's called Pumpkin Spice. Yeah, that's the one that I used last year. They're always a joy to work with. Alright, so here we did a little tag, again using some of that chipboard, little ephemera that my friend Kara sent me, and I used it as a sweet little tab. And then here, a Project Life card. It does have a crease in the center, so you could even turn it into a miniature journal. And then a little minor detail there, you can see that I incorporated some washi tape there. I quite liked that little touch. It was super cute. Again, here is some of Jovi's kit. So you can see some of them have like more of a cartoon-esque aesthetic to it. And around this point in the journal, you can see that there's more like less dark. I also wanted to incorporate like a little bit of more of like a fall aesthetic instead of like completely goth. But it's sprinkled in there just a little bit. So yeah, my husband definitely noticed whenever I was showing him the flip through of this, and my kiddos loved the journal. They both wanted to flip through it and check it out. Something about the Halloween journals, I think, catches their attention. I'm not sure why, but it's probably not even my journals. It's likely they're probably drawn to Jovi's kit. But anyways, all right, so moving right along here, we got them polka dots. They added like a little fun little element. Got a cute little quirky vellum sticker mushroom. And ooh, I got some of these guest checks from Tanya. He dyed them so nicely. There's again that spooky lace. And I think Pam Manny sent me this math card. And then again, I did some collaging using Jovi's kit. Look at that. I feel like it kind of went with the journal. How? Don't ask me, but it's going in there. It's cute. Alright, so moving right along. It's kind of hard to tuck stuff in with one hand. Okay. Oh, here's Jovi's kit once again. She's holding a pumpkin. She's got a little hat on. And ooh, I love that vellum sheet from the Hobby Lobby. And I incorporated some ledger papers from the 1950s there. Again, those chipboard goodies from Kara. Gotta have mushrooms and a fall journal. Got some scraps here. I figured I'd incorporate them into the journal instead of tossing them into my bin. You guys can have it if y'all want. There you go. Whoever ends up with this journal. Again, there's pages on here that are pretty naked. I want to leave some room for whoever ends up with this journal. They can incorporate their own memories into it. You know, you got to have a little bit of emptiness so that you can, you know, use your own creativity. So here we go, some word Yahtzee sheets, scorecards, and then I like that it's got something on both sides, so you can definitely alter this and or do some journaling on it. That'd be kind of fun. And then I also incorporated some of this encyclopedia page. It's very old. I think it's from the 1920s. 1920 something. But very fragile. Alright, so nearing the end of this journaling flip through. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Also, if y'all do end up using my links to Poshmark and or the Maker's Market, I do believe that you guys get like a discount and you earn, I think, money through Poshmark, and also you get a little deal as well with the Maker's Market. So whichever one you pick and you're a newbie to it, just keep that in mind so that you can save you some money, you know? And so here we got a little pocket. I recently got these from Temu. They're quite nice. And then I was gifted some ephemera from my friend Fel over at FP Handmade. I hope you're doing good, Fel. Sending you some greetings. And then moving right along, we have that vellum sheet once again with those flowers. And oop, it kind of got stuck there on the corner. My bad. Here is another one of the goth girls. Don't you just love those flowers in her hair? Here's another little flip out there. You can also attach something to it if you so choose, and or glue down the edges, and you'd have a pocket. So here we are. We're at the end of this journaling flip through. I will incorporate like my little signature on it, like my maker's mark, towards the end of the journal. And I did a little bit of stamping at the top of this scrappy pad thing, whatever you want to call it. And you can definitely cut out these little things and just incorporate them throughout the journal if you so choose. I added some fun eyelash trim. And then here, this pocket, you can see that it's got some like mirror embellishments. Super cute. I love it. Thank you, Dale. I love the fabrics that she sent me. They're so perfect for this journal. And that is it. Look at that gorgeous fabric. I think Rosie from Rosie's Creative Wings sent me this fabric, and or Mystical Misty sent it to me. It's kind of hard for me to remember because I just put all things together. But thanks, you guys. I hope y'all have a lovely rest of y'all's day. Bye.